What's up, everybody? HTA early bird break 36.97. We are full. Fresh set of dice. We're going 12 times. Hard 12. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The Rays up top, the Blue Jays at the bottom. Again, guys, jump on the screen. Free random team breaks is on the wheel for tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Again, 12 there and 12 here. And 12 on your teams as well. Jason Barton up top, Daniel Vols at the bottom. If you're not on the screen, you're not going to have a chance at random teams. Sort them. Let's print it. And let's rip, guys. Good luck, HTA. I'll send out a notification and then we'll rip. There goes the notification again, guys. Good luck here. Fresh case open here. Again, this one's coming out of a fresh case. We've been hitting Ethan Salas like crazy. Again, guys, good luck, good luck. First up, Yaniel LaBoy for the Oakland Athletics and Jeff Webster. Some sleeves opened up here. Jeff Webster on the board. Samuel Basallo. He's the big boy for the Baltimore Orioles. Pretty good hit here. Next up, refractor to 499, Javier Osorio for the Detroit Tigers. And Jason Barton. The Baltimore card went to Clint Gage. Again, guys, that's going to be the break. Just a 3-card early bird there. Again, all these will come out of the same case. $4.99, Javier Osorio. Samuel Basallo. Nice one there for Baltimore. And Yaniel LaBoy. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Make sure nobody scored. Just a field goal there.